I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Good Monday to you. It's going to be another warm and muggy day for us with hazy sunshine and just the chance of an isolated storm. Our high today is 88, so not as hot as it has been, but it will still be very muggy, and that's going to put heat index values today anywhere between 95 and 100 degrees. So certainly going to be able to work up a sweat very quickly, but a nice refreshing change heads our way. A cold front drops to our south. That brings in the northeasterly winds. It'll drop the humidity down, and tonight it'll be much more comfortable than it has been. In fact, it's been a while since we've been talking about low temperatures in the 60s, but that's what we'll have overnight. Tomorrow, still warm at 87, but much more comfortable with the lower humidity and mostly sunny skies. Then as we get into the latter half of the week, thunderstorms return to the forecast on Thursday and Friday, but temperatures will actually be below normal.